Hello developers, my name is Zahid Bashir and today in this video I will show you that how we set up a cloud account in Arduino and how we will send a data from sensor to the cloud. Okay, in this video I will show you how we create a cloud account and then how we send our data from sensor to the cloud. For this we need a microcontroller namely an ESP32 or you can use ESP8266 node MCU. And in this video I will use this gaze sensor and I will just send off the data from this gaze sensor to our cloud account, and also I will show the value of this gaze sensor on OLED display. We need OLED display also and some jumper wires. Okay, so let us start the video. So first of all, in order to set up this, we need ESP32, it's a ESP32 model, okay, and then we need a Mq2 gauge sensor for this, and OLED display and some jumper wires. Okay, so I will connect these the sensor to my ESP32 and also connect the LED to my ESP32. So stay tuned and watch this video till end, and after that I will show you that how we set up Arduino Cloud IDE and how we upload code to this. Okay, so I will connect these wires. So first of all, you need here, I will use here, you can see here are 4 pins of the sensor: A0, D0, G and D and ground. So that means this sensor works on both digital as well as analog. Okay, so we use analog pin here, and first of all we need connect these 3 pins here. This node A0, ground and VCC. Ground means here negative, VCC is the plus 5 or 3 volt, plus 5 volt, and we have connected this ground VCC to the VCC of the ESP32, this ground to the ground of the ESP32, and then mentioned analog pin in our ESP32. So first of all I will connect this gauge sensor to the ESP32, so stay tuned. So now I'm connecting this VCC pin to here in a VN. Okay, so VN is the 5 volt here, in ESP32 VN here the output is 5 volt. Then we are going to connect this ground and this ground to the ground, and then we connect this pin to one of the pins of the ESP32. So I will choose here 34. So remember one thing, in ESP32 34, 35, 33, 32, 26, 27, these are the ADC pins, analog to digital and digital analog pins. You can use your analog sensor here as well as you can use here your digital sensor. Okay, so now the setup is complete. Now I'm going to connect the LED display. Okay, so for LED display we need 4 wires, you can see here. So this one is ground, VCC, SCL, SD. Okay, so we need these pins in order to connect this to our ESP32. So it works on I2C communication here. SC and SD are used. Okay, so first of all connect the ground. So I will connect the ground of this to the ground of the ESP32 here. Okay, and then connect the VCC pin to the 3.3 volt of the 3 volt of the ESP32, and then connect SCL and SDA. So SCL and SDA of this connected to the ESP32. Remember one thing, the SDA pin of OLED is connected to the pin number 21 of the ESP32. Here I am going to connect it to the pin number 21 of the ESP32 here. Okay, and SCL is connected to the pin number 22 of the ESP32. So here our setup is complete. Okay, now we are going to, here my OLED is connected. Okay, gaze sensor is connected. So in order to set up the Arduino IoT Cloud, first of all you have to open any browser, Chrome or any other browser, then search here Arduino IoT Cloud. Okay, you have to search here Arduino IoT Cloud, then open the first website here, Arduino Cloud, and you have to click here and accept the cookies and etc. And after that we have to log in here, we have to sign up here. If you have already created account there, then you have to sign in. So if you are new here, then we are going to sign up here. So get started for free and click here, and after that we are going to sign up using our Google account or any other account. if you have GitHub account or Facebook or any other account. So here I will sign up using my Google account. So I will choose my account here for login. Okay, now click here and you will, so then click on the continue. So wait for a while. I think then now we have to choose our username here. For example, I will choose my name IoT Z. Okay, so then you have to accept these terms and conditions and then click here on the create account. Okay, so this name, please use another name. So we have to choose ZI Z. Okay, so then you can use your real name there in order to create your account. So after that, so now here I will do it, let us do it later. For in order to upload the code through this, we have to download Arduino Cloud agent. Okay, so here it's, I will click on do it later and I will hide this. So now we are on our Arduino IoT Cloud. Okay, so now what to do here, we have to create a thing here, and after that we will connect our device and upload the code. First of all, you have to go here on the device options. Okay, then click here to add device. Okay, so we have to add device here. So you choose your device, which device you are using. If you are using Arduino, then click on Arduino. So I am using ESP32 or ESP3266, then click here on the third party devices. So I will click on third party devices. Then if you are using ESP3266, so or ESP32, so I am using here ESP32 and I will click on the ESP32 model here. After that we have to choose which model we are going to use. Okay, so if you are using ESP32, so for this model is do it ESP32 DevKit version 1 for ESP32 WROOM32. Okay, so click on the ESP32, then click on the continue, then device name here, for example ESP32, for example EAP32, whatever you have to write here, choose your own name. Okay, so after that is the important thing is here, you have to download this secret key and this device ID. So download this PDF. Okay, and copy this code here. Okay, I'm going to copy this code here. After that, click here and continue. So all is done, then done. Okay, so after this we have to click here. Okay, then go to the things. Now we have to create a thing. Now go to the things and click here on the create thing. First time you will be see that it's too difficult, but when you try it, it will be very easy to use as compared to the Blink app. Okay, so this video maybe get too longer, but in this video I will demonstrate you everything step by step. Okay, so watch this video till end, and if you found this video useful, then do subscribe and do follow my channel tag that. So after that we have to add device, associate device here that we have created before. So then click on this option and associate this device. Okay, ESP32. Okay, so after that we have to set up our network. So in order to connect our ESP32 automatically to our hotspot, we have to configure network here. Okay, for example, you have to enter your Wi-Fi name. For example, my Wi-Fi name is iPhone and password is 1234567 1234567. Okay, and then you have to paste the secret key that you have copied before, then control V and secret key will be copied here. So here you have to set up your hotspot name and your password. After that you have to save here. So our network will be configured, and after that, so my network is configured here. And after that, here's the one option that Arduino IoT Cloud provides us. If you are using any switch, if you are using smart home, if you are using to control light is using your mobile phone, then Arduino IoT Cloud gives us another advanced option, that is you can connect your device to cloud like Google Home or connect to the Alexa. Okay, so which one you are going to use, then choose here. So I'm choosing Google. Okay, cloud connected to Google Home. Okay, then got it. Okay, so after that we have to make cloud variables where we want to store our sensor data. The data come from our sensor, so where we want to store it. So for that we have to add here variables, cloud variables. So then click on here add and name of the variable. For example, I will write it for example sensor.
So here's a variable name, you can choose any variable here. So but I suggest use the sensor name which you are going to use. For example, I'm going to use mq2 mq. Okay, for example, I write here mq, and you can write according to your code. It is a variable, you can write anything here, but remember which sensor you are going to use. After that, I will select the variable type. So I am going to store the values as an integer type. Then I will click here on the integer. Okay, integer number. Then my variable will be integer mq. After that, I will set for add variable here. Okay, so here we will store our value that's come from the sensor. After that, I will click here on again add, and now I will connect a led or buzzer in it. For example, I will write here buzzer. Okay, so then accordingly I will connect here variable for it. So we will connect here, for example, integer number. Okay, then add variable. Okay, so now here is my two variables. Here are my two variables. That's for wait, there's a sorry for this interrupted because I have network issue here. So after setting this, we have go to the sketch here. Okay, so in the sketch part, we have our code there where we connect our ESP to ESP32 and then upload code. Okay, so wait for a while. So now you can see here, this is our code, or only we have to add our logic here. So with the variables we create here, int buzz and int mq. Okay, and you can see here everything is set up itself by the Arduino IoT Cloud. Then we have to add only our logic is what we are going to do here. Okay, so you can see here everything is written here, our code is written here. So now we are going to write our code here, and then I will see how I upload the code, and I will provide the code in the comment box, or I will provide a link then to follow this link, and you can copy the code from there. So here, this is the where I am writing my code out in IoT Cloud. You can see here are the four tabs here. Secret is here. You can find your secret key. You can find your password, Wi-Fi or hotspot password, and hotspot name. Okay, now again go to this untitled here. So now we have to write our code here. Okay, sorry guys, if I you write code here, it will the video will be good too longer. So I will only show you that how we connect ESP32 and then how we create our uh, dashboard on the Arduino IoT Cloud. So now I will upload this code. Okay, I write the code. Till then I will pause the video. After that I will upload this code to the ESP32 model. Uploading the sketch, you will receive error like this. To upload a sketch via USB port, make sure the cloud agent is installed running on the computer. Then you have to click here on the learn more. Okay, click here on the learn more, and then we have to install the cloud agent. Okay, then click here on this part here, cloud agent. Okay, install cloud agent, and then click here on the download. I have already downloaded it, so I will install it. Okay, so I have already downloaded it here, you can see. So now I will install this Arduino cloud agent. So Arduino cloud agent is necessary for uploading the code using the Arduino IoT Cloud. Okay, so after installing this cloud agent, we will upload code to our board. Okay, so it will take some time for installing the software here. So we have to click here next and accept the terms and conditions here. After that, click on the next and then next, and Arduino IoT Cloud agent will install here, and then we will connect it and upload our code to the ESP32. So it will take some time. So finally it's installed. So now you can see here our Arduino agent is, you can see here our Arduino agent is connected. Okay, so now we have to upload the code. Then we connect our ESP32 and then upload the code. So our code is ready here. You can see our code is ready here. So now we have to upload this code in our ESP32 model. Okay, desktop, and this is the code I written here. This all code you can see here. I will provide you code. If you want this in comment below, I will provide the code. Okay, so this is the code here. So now I will connect the device and upload the code. So here you can see the cross, you can see here the cross here, so that means our device is not connected. Okay, now we will connect our device and you will see this error will go on here. Okay, now I will connect my device here. So I will connect my device. So I will connect my device to the ESP32 here, and now you will see here, so our device is connected. So now we will upload the code, and after that we will modify our dashboard, and I will show you how we fetch data from the cloud. Okay, so now I am uploading the code here, you can see. So it will take some time. So before uploading this code, I want to say one thing, that if you find this video useful, then do subscribe and do follow my Facebook tag Z and my YouTube tag Z. So if you want more lectures, then comment below. I will provide more lectures on IoT, embedded systems, robotics, IoT, Raspberry Pi, etc. So our code is uploading here, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait for a while. So this video may be get too longer, because I'm in this video I will show you everything, how we set up IoT cloud in Arduino IoT Cloud, and how we fetch data from our sensor to the cloud. So just wait. So successfully our code is uploaded here. Now we can check our sensor, it will work or not. So here, just wait a while. So first of all I will remove this cable, and then I will insert it again. So now you can see here, so there is a gas leakage detector here. Okay, you can see here. So now if I have a lighter, now it will detect the value. Here you can see the value is 86, and it is printed here, gas detected. Okay, gas detected. So our project is successfully working here. Now we will fetch this data in our IoT cloud. How can we fetch the data in IoT cloud? So I will show you how to we create that. Okay, so for this we have to do following setups here, you can see. So first of all you have to click here, and then go to the dashboard. Okay, so your dashboard will appear here. So here you have to click on this untitled that you have made recently. You can rename this also. So click on this is a thing, and after that we will create our dashboard here. So wait for a while. So now here we have to click here or here. Now click on this, and now click here on the add option. So for the gas leakage we will add here a gauge. Just wait for a minute. So here in visualization you can select a gauge here. Okay, I will click on this, and after that I will name here, okay, for example my. You can write here gauge detection, etc. Whatever you want to write, you can write here. It's a variable. Okay, it is the name of this widget. Okay, after that we have to link a variable. So here my variable was MQ, because I'm reading the values from the MQ. So I will choose the MQ here. Okay, then link variable. Okay, so, and then we have to here fetch data, etc. Let's click on done here. After that, and show here the value that we get from the sensor, and it will show here. Just wait for a while, and when here you can see the values of the gas sensor. So now you can see here the value that's displayed here in the display, and that you can see here the same values in our IoT cloud. So that in this way we will send our data from the sensor to the cloud. Okay, so you can follow these steps and make your own IoT cloud dashboard. So I can add here also a chart for this. Sorry, chart. I will add a chart for this. So I'm going here, then click on the visualizations here, and then I will add a chart. Okay, after that you have to click here on the link variable here, link variable, then I will link the same MQ, because I am reading the values from this MQ and link variable here, and then click on the done. Now when value raises, and it will show here on the also on here. Okay, so let us do one thing. I will, so for example, this is my lighter. So here it will show the value of the gas leakage. So here is the, and in the display here you can see gas detected, and you can see the chart rises and the value on the screen. So in this way you can make an IoT cloud dashboard using Arduino IoT Cloud website, and also I'm displaying here the value. So this is the simple way how can you send your data to the IoT cloud. I will show you the this is connected to my ESP32 is connected to my phone. I will show here. So you can see here my ESP is connected. Okay, you can see one of it, and so that's why my ESP is connected to the internet, and that's why I'm able to show these value here. Also the application for this, you can download this application. Here you can see the IoT remote, and this application is also you can use from your mobile. This is the same website application that you that I'm using here. You will use same application on your mobile phone also. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you find this video useful, then do subscribe and do follow my page. Thank you so much.